Is this the beginning? Okay. Okay, buddy.
Cause everybody here smoking, smoking. Everybody there drinking, drinking. Sometimes we're rolling, rolling. Living life like the weekend, weekend. Cause everybody here smoking, smoking. Everybody there drinking, drinking. Sometimes we're rolling, rolling. Living life like the weekend, weekend. Smoking good, we're rolling up. Sneaking in the clubs with our fake IDs so we seem old enough. We were dumb as fuck, blunts feel nice. Pack weed in the crease of my fitted, called it a hi-hat. It's like that, you right, we right back. Too tight for tight slacks, you fight, we fight back. If you're tripping then listen, it's like hitting bitches in the missionary position. We ain't behind that. Yeah, they wanna get the worst out of me, but I'm so good, Joe Jackson would be proud of me. And fuck the joint chief of staff, man. We're rolling joints, cheap and hash, and burning all through the stash. When we're getting to the ash, we all need a break. Break the chain of being lame and seeing things. Start doing things, and soon enough you'll see a change. You can only lose if you never try. Then there's everybody here smoking, smoking. Everybody there drinking, drinking. Sometimes we're rolling, rolling. Living life like the weekend, weekend. Cause everybody here smoking, smoking. Everybody